If your words matter, they need to be heard. Here are 3 ways to increase your vocal presence without shouting or forcing or changing who you are. Number 1, use your breath and not your throat. See, soft speakers often rely on the throat, which tends to make the voice sound small and tight. But confident speakers use breath. So try this, for example. Sit or stand tall, inhale through your nose, just slow and deep, and then speak from your stomach, not from your chest. And when your breath powers your voice, you'll sound more full and you'll sound more grounded. Try saying this. I have something to add here, or here's what I notice. Let your words ride the breath. It's not louder, it's anchored. Number 2, what you want to do is end with strength. And here's a subtle thing that makes people tune you out. Your voice starts to trail off at the end of a sentence. That's not good. It sounds uncertain. But when you end with strength, even on a quiet volume, people tend to lean in. So instead of saying it like this, I think we could maybe try something different. You see that inward, upward inflection? Say something. I think we should try something different. Full stop. Drop your tone slightly at the end. Speak like your sentence matters, because it does. And number 3, claim your space before you speak. Before you say a word, your body already sends a message. If you're hunched, fidgeting, looking around, you're telling people not to pay attention. So before you speak, face forward, plant your feet, make soft eye contact, pause, and then begin. This is nonverbal posture. Tells people, guess what? I'm here and I've got something to say. You don't have to be loud. You just have to be present. And here's how to speak so people actually hear you. Breathe from your stomach, not your throat. And number 2, as we discussed, end each sentence with strength. Use your body to claim space before you begin speaking. And when your voice is clear and calm, people stop asking you to repeat yourself because they're already listening. You don't need a booming voice to be powerful. You just need a voice that shows up. Comment below. Which one of these shifts will you try today? And of course, if you haven't already, subscribe to Speak Up Daily for weekly tools to speak clearly, calmly, and with presence, even if you're soft-spoken.